Thicken tool in AutoCAD 3D. If you go to the Home tab, and here it is Thicken tool. The same tool available inside Solid. If you go here, you can see Thicken tool. The Thicken tool, if you have any surface, that surface we can convert to solid using Thicken tool. Now I just make a line, press F5, I made a line, and I go to the extrude and I select this line, enter. Now I just extrude like this. This is not a solid, it is surface. See here, you can see if you orbit using shift and press mouse center button, you can orbit like this. You can see it is surface. This kind of surface you can make solid using Thicken tool. Just go to the Thicken tool and select the surface, enter, and what is the thickness you require? I just make it 25, enter. Now you can see it is changed to solid. Similar way, you can make any type of surface. I just make here small spline, enter, and I go to the extrude and I select this object and I just extrude like this. Now this one also you can make to thicken. I just select this thicken and select the object, enter, what is the thickness, and I just make it 50, enter. Now you can see this spline is this surface changed to solid object. Like that you can make any surface object using Thicken. You can make solid object in AutoCAD 3D.